You know that sinking feeling when the doorbell rings at night and you have no idea who's standing there? A standard peephole doesn't cut it anymore. I wanted to see who was lurking outside my door even when I wasn't home, so I bought and tested the 5 most popular motion-activated peephole cameras. I checked their video quality, motion sensors, and battery life so you don't have to waste your money on junk. Product number 1, 1080p Video Door Viewer. First up, I tested this generic 1080p video door viewer. Taking it out of the box, the 4.3-inch monitor felt surprisingly light, but the screen looked decent enough to see who's there. Installing it was straightforward, just swapping out the old optical viewer, no drilling required. I really liked the motion detection on this one. As soon as someone walked within a few feet of my door, the peer sensor tripped, and it pushed a notification to my phone instantly. The two-way talk is handy. I could tell a delivery driver to leave a package without opening the door. The 5000 mAh battery is legit too. I've had it running for weeks without charging. The app is simple, letting you play back footage without pulling the card. If you want a solid, app-connected camera that covers the basics well and has a battery that actually lasts, this is a great starting point. Product number 2, 1080p Door Peephole Camera. Next, I grabbed this other 1080p Smart Visual Intercom. It looks almost identical to the first one, which isn't a bad thing, but I noticed the night vision sensitivity on this was a bit sharper. When I tested it in a dark hallway, it switched modes automatically, and I could still clearly see faces up to about 6 feet away. The setup involved scanning a QR code with the camera itself, which was a bit finicky at first but worked eventually. I love that it supports a 128GB SD card, so I didn't have to pay for cloud subscriptions to keep my footage. The reset button is easy to access if you mess up the Wi-Fi pairing. The battery life is comparable, giving me about a month of standby. If you hate monthly fees and want to keep your video clips stored locally on a card, this is the one to pick. Product number 3, 1080p Door Peephole Camera. Then I stepped up to the 1080p Door Peephole Camera. This one claims a 3MP resolution, and honestly you can tell the difference. When I zoomed in on the footage, the details were much crisper than the 1080p models. The standout feature for me during testing was the offline recording. I unplugged my router to simulate an outage, and the camera kept recording motion to the SD card. That's a huge relief if your internet is spotty. The 160-degree viewing angle is also massive. I could see packages left on the floor mat which other cameras missed. I also noticed the streaming was smoother because of the H.265 encoding. The battery claims 40 to 60 days, and so far it's holding up. If you want the best video quality and need something that works even when the Wi-Fi dies, get this one. Product number 4, Wall Front Electronic Peephole Doorbell. Switching gears, I tried the Wall Front Electronic Peephole. This one is smaller with a 2.8-inch screen, but the concealed design caught my eye. From the outside, it looks just like a regular peephole, so visitors don't know they're on camera. It has anti-prying measures too, which made it feel very secure in the door. It uses USB-C for charging, which is nice since everything else I own uses that cable. The viewing angle is narrower at 90 degrees, so you see less of the hallway, but the Do Not Disturb mode is great for when you just want peace and quiet. The battery is smaller at 2000 mAh, so I had to charge it sooner than the others. If you prioritize stealth and privacy over having a huge wide-angle view, this is the discreet option that keeps a low profile. Product number 5, Splency Smart Door Viewer. Finally, I checked out the Splency Smart Door Viewer. This thing feels tough. The zinc alloy construction makes it feel way more durable than the plastic ones I tested earlier. However, the screen is tiny at just 2.4 inches, so you have to squint a little to see details. The video quality is only 1 megapixel, so it's a bit grainier, but the 145-degree wide angle makes up for it by showing you the whole porch. It's very simple. It doesn't have as many complex smart features, but the IR night vision kicked in reliably. It's basically a rugged digital upgrade to a glass peephole rather than a full smart home hub. Installation was super fast because it's so basic. If you're on a strict budget and just want a simple screen to check who is knocking without needing a smartphone app, this is the one. So whether you need high-res recording like the Unity or a stealthy option like the wall front, one of these will add a serious layer of security to your front door. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.